Assalamu. In this video, I will show you how to add dotted border to image in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, insert a image. Go to the insert menu, click the picture icon, select your desired image, and now select the image. Go to the picture tool and format and click the drop down menu of border icon, select the dash and choose your dotted border and increase the border thickness for better understand. Click the white and more lines. Now increase the border thickness. You can change dot border. You can also change border color. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.